Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about growing your own chili plants, or thinking of starting your first one, today's episode is going to heat things up. First up, sunlight. Chili plants are sun lovers, big time. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Plants use sunlight for photosynthesis, turning light into energy. This energy fuels everything from growing roots to producing the spicy pods we love. Not enough sun leads to weak, leggy plants that may never produce fruit, or yield chilies that lack heat and flavor. Choose a sunny, warm location for outdoor plants. Indoors? Use grow lights that mimic full sunlight. More sun equals more chili. Now let's talk about fertilizer, the second key to success. Chili plants are heavy feeders and need consistent nutrients. Chili plants need nitrogen for leafy growth, phosphorus for strong roots, and potassium for fruit development. Understand these to choose the right fertilizer. Use a balanced fertilizer early in the season and switch to phosphorus and potassium-rich formulas as the plants flower and fruit. Over-fertilizing can lead to nutrient burn or too much leafy growth. Water your plants after fertilizing to help nutrients absorb. Sunlight and fertilizer work together. Energy from the sun allows plants to process nutrients efficiently, maximally boosting flower and fruit production. Provide a sunny location, feed them regularly with the right fertilizer, and water consistently. You'll be amazed at how your chilies reward you. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helped you understand just how crucial sun and fertilizer are for your chili plants. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss a tip. Let me know in the comments what kind of chili you're growing this season. Until next time, happy planting and stay spicy.